Hello and hi everyone. Welcome to today's session. My name is Faris. I'm a cloud champion and we will be talking about protocols in data communication. Before we get started, please consider subscribing to our channel and like and share this video. A communication system is made up of the following components. Simplex communication. It is a one-way communication, or we can call it a unidirectional communication, in which one device only receives data, another device only sends data. Half-duplex communication. It is a two-way communication, where data can be transmitted in both directions, but not at the same time. One device sends, another device receives data, and vice versa. Full duplex communication. It is a two-way communication as well, where data can be transmitted in both directions at the same time. There are four areas where all three communication types we talked about share together. A message, which is a piece of information that to be transmitted from one device to another. And it can be text file, audio file, or a video file. A sender is simply a device that sends data messages. And a receiver is also a device that receives data messages. Both sender and receiver can be either a computer device, a laptop, a mobile device, a workstation. And last one here is a transmission medium. A transmission medium is a medium that connects two or more devices. Devices can be connected by either wired media or wireless media. So, what is a network protocol? But first, let us see how communication would look like if there were no network protocols. It will be messy and no one will be able to communicate properly. Right, back to the question, what is a network protocol? Well, a network protocol is a set of rules that determine how data is transmitted between different devices in a network. Essentially, it allows connected devices to communicate with each other regardless of any differences in their internal processes, structure, or design. The network protocol determines what is being communicated and how it is being communicated when it is being communicated. Now let us discover the protocol elements. Protocol can be effective when these elements are addressed properly. Message encoding, message formatting and encapsulation, message size, message timing, message delivery option. So let's see what does that mean in details. When a message is sent from a source, the message is encoded into either a signal or a radio wave, then transmitted through wired or wireless medium. That same message is decoded at the receiver side before it is delivered to the destination. A message encapsulation is the process used to place one message inside another for transfer from a source to destination. We will see more details about how data is being encapsulated and how encapsulation works in our next session, where we will be talking about OSI model. A sender and receiver must agree on the message format. Message format will depend on the type of message and the medium through which the message is delivered. Message sizing is the process of breaking up long message into individual pieces before it's being sent over a network. So if the message is to be transmitted is very big and the capacity of the link is very small, then the computer should break the message into smaller parts. Message timing. It manages flow control and response timeout. So let's talk about flow control first. Let's say the sender is very fast and it can send data at higher speed, while the receiver is very slow and cannot handle that speed. No flow control mechanism, the sender will keep sending and receiver will not be able to receive all the data. In the same time, after the sender sends data, it will wait for acknowledgement from a receiver. If the sender did not receive acknowledgement, it is then the protocol responsibility to decide which time the sender should wait for acknowledgement. Message delivery option has three types. Unicasting, one sender and one receiver. The sender sends data to a single destination. Multicast, one sender to group of receiver, but not all of them. And a broadcast, the sender sends data to all the participants of the network. And that concludes today's session. That's it for today. And if you have any question, please feel free to leave a comment on the comment section. And in the next session, we will be talking about OSI model. Stay tuned and bye for now.